Okay, find the measure of each side. Now we have a side that's missing, and we are going to use a trig function to find that missing side. And for these tasks that we're doing up to now, it is all for right triangles. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to identify the angle that they give you, and from the viewpoint of this person right here, identify the sides. Well, this would be opposite. This is always hypotenuse. This is adjacent. So let's see. Let me highlight. This is the side with X, and this is the side we know. Well, let's see. That's adjacent, and that's hypotenuse. Ah, cosine. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then you fill in, well, we know the theta. So we can say cosine of 28 degrees is, the adjacent side is X, the hypotenuse side is 10. So that's why labeling all of this stuff is very, very important. Okay, so we identified cosine because of the information that's given. That's very key. You have to pay attention to what's given. And then fill in the pieces that we know. We know the 28 degrees. We know that adjacent is labeled X and the hypotenuse is 10. And then think about inverse operations. We want to get this X by itself. What's the inverse of dividing 10? Yep, multiplying 10. So we're going to multiply both sides by 10. And then with your calculator, you're just going to simplify that. You will just type in 10 cosine. It gives you a left parentheses, type 28, then right parentheses, then enter. And what you end up with is you round to the nearest tenth, so about 8.8, and then make sure, because this is a side length, you label it with units. All right, that's it for missing